Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to trade on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. So let's say for example, you made your analytics and now you want to buy. Okay. So all you have to do is go to the trade panel, this one. Okay. And as you can see, we have here market. So this one is for market order. If you buy or sell, you will buy with the current price. Okay, this price. We have also here a limit. So this one is for the limit order. You can use this one when you want to buy only on specific price or specific level. Okay, buy or sell, it's the same thing. So let's start with market. For example, let's say I want to buy. Okay, so click on buy here. As you can see, we have here quantity. You can choose how many lots you want. And we have here stop loss and take profit. So for example, I will make my stop loss here. Okay. And my take profit here. Okay. So my stop loss will be 470. I will type it here, 470. And my take profit will be 520. Like this. Okay. Now this one is your risk, 0.9%. And this one is your profit, 4%. Okay. Now click on place order. Go to position. And this is your position. We have here symbol, Euro USD in this case. The quantity one lot, buy, the entry price, the take profit, the stop loss, the date, and your PNL. Now, let's say for example you want to change your stop loss or your take profit. All you have to do is you can drag it from here. As you can see, this is my stop loss. This one is my take profit. Also, you can change it if you want, like this. Okay, I think that you get the idea. Now, as you can see, we've made $0.5 on our PNL. Now, if you want to close this position, all you have to do is click on click to close. Now, for the limit order, all you have to do is click on it and you can choose the entry price. So let's say, for example, I want only to buy when the price hit this place, this level. So it's 470. Go to entry price and type here 470, like this. The quantity, one lot, two lot, any quantity you want. And you can add an expiry date if you want. So for me, I will keep it like that. We have here the stop loss and we have here the take profit. It's the same thing. So my entry will be here. My stop loss must be here, for example. Okay, make sure to remember that. So it will be 455. Okay, it's here, 455. Let's add the take profit. 485, 485. No, I will make it 520. 520. Okay. Now we have the take profit 5% and our risk is 1.5%. And click on place order. Now for the limit order, you have to go to orders here, the pending orders, and you will see here your limit order, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.